Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. tiniyak ang transparent at tama paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. Ito ay para mas mapaigting pa ang paghatid ng serbisyo at tulong sa ating mga kababayan, lalo na sa panahon ng kalamidad. Si Alan Francisco sa Sentro Balita.
With this roadmap, we give a clear mandate of ensuring that the money entrusted to us by the people serves a purpose that truly matters, that will make a difference.
Nanindigan si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa commitment ng kanyang administrasyon sa isang transparent at transformative leadership. Sinabi niya yan nang pangunahan niya kahapon ng ceremonial endorsement ng Public Financial Management Reforms Roadmap 2024 to 2028 sa Malacanang. Sabi ng Chief Executive, ang seremony ay higit pa sa pagiging isang endorsement ng policy, kundi pagsusulong ito ng gobyerno sa pagbabago. Kasama na rito ang pagtitiyak ng tamang paggamit at pagiging transparent sa public funds. Giit ni Pangulong Marcos, makatutulong ito sa pagpapaigting ng serbisyo ng pamahalaan, gaya sa mga disaster relief at response actions, public healthcare, social services at iba pa.
In this new PFM, we are committed to synchronize planning and budgeting at our local, regional, and national levels, as well as streamlining our institutional frameworks to reduce the time spent on bureaucratic processes.
Noong nakaraang taon, nilagdaan ni President Marcos ang Executive Order No. 29 na nagpapatatag sa Public Financial Management Information Systems. Kasama na rito ang pagyakap sa technological innovation at digitalization.
Because true progress is about moving beyond what we have always done and questioning how much we can be, true progress is about how we find ways to flourish in this ever-changing world.
Ang Public Financial Management Reforms ay binubuo ng Budget Department, kasama na ang Commission on Audit, Bureau of Treasury, NEDA at iba pa.
With the strong support of our partners, especially with ADB, I am confident that the PFM Reforms Roadmap, anchored on the Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028, will lead the nation to a higher growth trajectory and ultimately to reducing poverty and achieving genuine prosperity. Consider yourselves as the forerunners of this new era, this bagong Pilipinas that we are building.
Alan Francisco, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.